Okay, so today we are looking at solving for variables given other variables within the equation. So remember we talked about that yesterday, and it's called literal equations. So yesterday we talked about how we would solve for y, right? And so I would give you an example. Yesterday we had like 2y plus 3x equals 10. And we would circle our y and move our 3x over to the other side. That means when we cross that equal sign, we change signs. We have 2y, cancels that out because we have a positive and a negative 3. 10 minus 3x. Then it's 2 times y, so the inverse of multiplication is division. Anything divided by itself is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5 minus 3x over 2. And that would be our answer. So we have y by itself, and of course we do have x over here, but we can't combine those terms. And so today we are going to talk about solving literal equations also, but now they're going to give us different variables to solve for. So my first example is if I said a equals 1/2 base times height, and I want you to solve for h. So we're going to solve for h. So I'm going to get h by itself. Undo division. Remember, inverse of division is multiplication. So we have 2a, cancels out. We have bh. I'm going to undo multiplication with division. So I'm going to divide by b. b divided by b is 1. So we have 2a over b equals h. And that is our answer. Okay, so let's look at another one. If I gave you an example and I said 1 minus r equals c, and I ask you to solve for r. So we're going to circle r. That means I need to bring I over, so I'm going to subtract I, draw my line, cancels out. So I have negative r equals c plus, I'm sorry, minus, I forgot my minus sign, right. Minus I have to get rid of this 1 here. This is negative 1 times r, so undo multiplication with division. So we get r equals negative c plus I. Okay, so today what you're doing is you are looking and trying to understand how to isolate a variable, knowing all of our inverse operations.